Welcome to AutoZone. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most luxurious sedans on the market, the Genesis G90. This flagship model from Genesis is redefining what it means to drive in comfort, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology, refined craftsmanship, and powerful performance. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that challenges the likes of Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi, the G90 is a car you need to know about. The Genesis G90 is all about presence. From the moment you lay eyes on it, this sedan commands attention with its bold design. The massive crest grille, flanked by sleek dual-line LED headlights, gives the G90 an unmistakable identity. Every detail is crafted to exude sophistication, from the chrome accents to the elegant body lines that flow seamlessly from front to rear. The proportions are perfect, long, wide, and low, giving it the stately appearance expected from a luxury flagship. Step inside, and the G90 immediately immerses you in a world of luxury. Genesis has spared no expense in designing a cabin that rivals the best in the industry. High-quality Napa leather, open-pore wood trim, and aluminum accents create an environment that feels both modern and timeless. The seats are not just comfortable, they're designed for pure relaxation, offering heating, ventilation, and even a massage function. The attention to detail is remarkable, with soft touch materials covering every surface. Technology is another area where the G90 shines. The sedan is equipped with a massive infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with Genesis's latest software. The interface is intuitive, offering features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Lexicon audio system that delivers concert-quality sound. The digital instrument cluster provides a customizable display, giving drivers all the information they need at a glance. Even the rear seats are packed with technology, featuring their own touchscreens and climate controls for an unmatched passenger experience. Under the hood, the G90 is no slouch. Genesis offers two powerful engine options: a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with 375 horsepower, or an even more advanced version with an electric supercharger that boosts output to 409 horsepower. Power is delivered smoothly through an 8-speed automatic transmission, and the available all-wheel drive system ensures stability in all road conditions. Despite its size, the G90 delivers a composed and refined driving experience, effortlessly gliding over the road while maintaining impressive control. Luxury sedans are not just about power, they're about ride quality, and this is where the G90 excels. The suspension is designed to provide the smoothest ride possible, with an adaptive system that adjusts to road conditions in real time. An available air suspension setup takes comfort to an entirely new level, making long drives feel effortless. Whether you're behind the wheel or sitting in the back, the G90 offers a serene and isolated ride that competes with the best luxury brands in the world. One of the standout features of the G90 is its chauffeur-oriented design. Genesis has made the rear seat experience just as impressive as the driver's seat. With the push of a button, passengers can recline in fully adjustable seats with built-in footrests, creating a first-class travel experience. Rear passengers also have access to a dedicated control panel, allowing them to adjust climate settings, media, and even the position of the front passenger seat for maximum legroom. It's clear that Genesis has thought of everything to make the G90 a true luxury experience. Safety is a top priority in the G90, and Genesis has packed this sedan with the latest driver assistance technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning come standard. The car even offers a semi-autonomous driving mode, allowing for a more relaxed experience on long highway trips. Parking is effortless thanks to a surround view camera system, which provides a 360-degree view of the car's surroundings, making tight maneuvers a breeze. Genesis has also taken sound insulation to the next level in the G90. The cabin is designed to be whisper quiet, using acoustic glass and extensive sound-deadening materials to block out road and wind noise. Even the tires are specially designed to reduce vibrations, ensuring that passengers enjoy a peaceful and undisturbed ride. This level of refinement is typically reserved for ultra-luxury brands, but Genesis delivers it at a fraction of the price. Performance-wise, The G90 is not just about comfort. It's also capable of delivering an engaging driving experience. The twin-turbo V6 provides plenty of power for quick acceleration, and the car remains composed even at high speeds. The steering is precise, and the all-wheel drive system enhances traction in all weather conditions. While it may not be a sports sedan, the G90